Page 128, area. So this is a plan of Adrenaline Outdoor Adventure Centre. It's drawn to a scale of 1 centimetre is equal to 1 metre, or 1 is to 100 because there are 100 centimetres in 1 metre. Use your ruler to find all the measurements. So what does that mean? So that means 1 centimetre here in real life would be the same as 1 metre. I'll do 1A for you. So complete the tables for each activity zone. Let's look at the zip line. Well, you know the perimeter is the outside, as if you walked all the way around. So the perimeter, first of all, you take the length from here to here. I'll give you the answer. It's 3 centimeters. On real life, that would be 3 meters. From here to here, it's 12 centimeters. In real life, 12 meters. This would be 3 meters and this would be 12 meters. So if you add up all of those, you'll get your perimeter. And to find the area, remember it's the length, 3, multiplied by the width, 12, and that will give you 36 squared meters. Question 2. To calculate the area and the perimeter of Adrenaline Outdoor Activity. So to find the area, it's the length, so from here to here, multiplied by the width, and then the perimeter, you would just start here and go all the way around the outside. Question 3, you have the price of an adult ticket, child's ticket, the cost of entries. So if you're 3 adults, obviously it'd be $12.75 multiplied by 3, and then €9.85 for a child multiplied by the number of children, and there's one more step. What do you think it is? Add your answers together. Number 4, the safety fence around the archery zone needs replacing. A new fence costs €23.40 per metre, and labour costs will be €260. What will the total cost of fitting a new fence? This is your safety fence, so you find the perimeter of this area, again using a ruler. Then you'll have to multiply that by the price per metre, and then don't forget you have to add in the labour costs at the end. Question 5. The complete climbing wall zone needs to be fitted with soft tiles that cost €13.92 per square metre. Now there's a clue, per square metre, so we know we're talking about area. Calculate the total cost of the tiles. So you need to find the area of the climbing wall. So remember, the length by the width will give you the area. Then you need to multiply that by the cost per square metre. You can use a calculator to do all of these.